the hour before dawn, when the stillness is there, I offer my prayers up to you. The light of the morning brings hope for your care. I ask God to help me be true. When I raise up my hands and I open my heart, the light of the crystals shines through. The peace that enfolds me, I barely can stand. What else in the world can I do? I place my hand in yours. Your light shone from above. In the sadness of my past, you held me in your love. It's amazing to me that you're there when I call. Your presence floods into my soul. The love that I feel makes me fall on my knees and ask you to make me whole. Before, when I had not the courage to speak, you dragged me in from the cold. I gave myself over to God for my life. God's light makes me able to know. I place my hands in yours. Your light shone from above. In the sadness of my past, you held me in your love. I place my hands in yours.